Why is poor water pressure a landslide risk? Imagine standing on a hill after a heavy rain and feeling the ground shift beneath your feet. That's often caused by something happening deep in the soil that you can't see. Poor water pressure is a key factor in this process. It's the pressure water exerts inside the tiny spaces, or pores, between soil or rock particles. When it rises, it can make the ground unstable and prone to sliding. Think of soil particles like a bunch of tiny building blocks held together by friction. When water fills the gaps between these blocks, it pushes against them. If the water pressure gets high enough, it pushes the blocks apart, weakening the structure. This is what we call increasing pore water pressure. It's mainly caused by heavy rainfall or rising groundwater levels. When rain soaks into the ground, it increases the water inside the soil, raising the pore water pressure. As the pressure goes up, it reduces the effective stress that keeps the soil stable. Effective stress is what makes soil particles stick together tightly. When this stress drops, the soil loses its strength and can start to slide. This is why slopes become more likely to fail after long periods of rain or sudden downpours. Heavy rain can cause quick spikes in pore water pressure near the surface, leading to shallow landslides. On the other hand, slower, prolonged rain can infiltrate deeper, causing larger and more dangerous landslides. Groundwater fluctuations also play a role. When groundwater levels rise, they increase pore water pressure, especially in areas with poor drainage. During storms or typhoons, both rain and changes in atmospheric pressure can cause sudden shifts in pore water pressure, making slopes unstable. Monitoring pore water pressure is very important for predicting landslides. Engineers use instruments called piezometers to measure the water pressure inside the soil. These readings help identify when the pressure is reaching dangerous levels. By understanding how pore water pressure behaves, authorities can better assess the risk of landslides and take action to prevent tragedies. In simple terms, when water inside the soil pushes too hard, it weakens the ground and makes landslides more likely. Heavy rain, groundwater changes, and atmospheric conditions all influence pore water pressure. That's why managing water and monitoring soil conditions are so important in landslide-prone areas.